Assalamu alaikum, dear participants, dear viewers, and dear student. Dear student, today we are learn about vowels in Urdu. Like in English, Urdu have 4 vowels. The first is alif. Second is wa. Third is choti ye, and the last is badi ye. These are 4 vowels in English. So we make word with these vowels. We are making first word. Our first word is bay. We write bay here. Plus we write first vowel. Our first vowel is alif. Then we write half shape of bay. Then alif. If we combine these two words, we get bay alif ba. Bay alif ba. Now we write again bay plus alif. Here we write bay half shape, and plus we write second vowel. The second vowel is wa, and when we combine bay half shape and wa, we get bewa bo. Like this we join bay to the third vowel, that is ye, and we write bay. Here we write I write here wa. We write ye. Here we write bay half shape. We write ye, and when we combine bay and ye, we get bay chotiye b. Bay chotiye b. We write again bay. Here we write badiye, and we write half shape of bay, and here we write badiye. When you combine bay and badiye, we get bay badiye bay. Bay badiye bay. I think we have completed bay with vowel alif, wa, ye, and badiye. Now we are moving towards a second word. Second word after bay, that comes pay. We write pay here. Pay have 3 dots, and we write first vowel alif. We write pay half shape here, and we write here alif, and when we combine pay and alif, we get pay alif pa. Pay alif pa. Next we combine second vowel, that is wa. We write pay. After that we write wa. Then we write half shape of pay. Then we write wa, and we combine pay and wa, we get pewa po. Pewa po. We write again pay, and we combine third vowel, that is ye, and here we write half shape of pay. We write chotiye, and when we combine this, we get pay chotiye p. Pay chotiye p. Now we make last word, and we combine pay and badiye, and here we write pay half shape, and here we write badiye, and when we combine this, we get pay badiye pay. You can make practice to the other words that are pay after pay, te, te, se, jim, che, he, he, dal. You can make these words like this, which I am making. I will make more practice of these words in our next lecture. Till then, goodbye and keep learning. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel, likes and comments, because I can see your interest in Urdu language. It's up to you. Please subscribe and comments, and also share my videos, so that our next word is te. We write te here. We combine with alif, and here we write half shape of te, and we combine these two words, we get te alif ta. We write te again. We combine with second word, that is wa, and here we write te half shape, and when we combine te and wa we get te wa to. We write te again, here we write te half shape, and when you combine with ye we get te choti ye ti. We write te here, and when here we write half shape, and when we combine with this it we get te badiye te. After te the word is te. Te, here we write te half shape, and we combine with alif we get te alif ta. Here we write te, and here we write half shape of te, and when we combine with wa we get te wa to. Here we write te, and here we write half shape, and when we combine with ye te chutiye t, and te, and half shape of te, and te badiye te. Next word is say. When we combine say half shape with alif we get say alif sa. We get say alif sa, and when we combine say and wa we get say wa so. When we combine say with choti a, say choti a si. When we combine say with badi a, say badi a say. Next one is jim. When we combine jim half shape with alif we get jim alif ja. When we combine with jim with wa we get jim wa jo. When we combine with jim with choti a, jim choti a ji. When we combine jim badi a we get jim badi a j. So next word is che, and when we combine with alif che alif cha. When we combine with wa che wa cho. When we combine with choti a, che choti a chi, and when we combine with badi a we get che badi a che. Next word is he. When you combine with alif he alif ha. When you combine with wa he wa ho. When you combine with ye he choti a he. When you combine badi a he badi a he. Our next word is he. When we combine with alif he alif ha. Next when we combine with wa we get he wa ho. When we combine with ye we get he choti a he. When we combine with badi a we get he badi a he. So dal, in my earlier video I told about you dal have no half shape. We write half and full shape same. Sir, their half shape is same. Dal, dal, dal. When we combine with alif we get dal alif da. When we combine with wa we get dal wa do. When we combine choti a, dal choti a di. When we combine badi a, dal badi a de. Our next word is dal, and when we combine with alif da we get dal alif da. With wa we get dal wa do. With choti a we get dal choti a di. With badi a we get dal badi a di. When we combine with zal alif za. With wa we get zal wa zo. With choti a we get zal choti a zi. With badi a we get zal badi a ze. Next word is re. Re alif ra. When we combine with wa re wa ro. When we combine with choti a re choti a re. When we combine badi a re badi a re. Other word is re. When we combine with alif we get re alif ra. With wa we get re wa ro. With choti a we get re choti a ri. With badi a we get re badi a re. Our next word is ze, and when we combine we get ze alif za. With wa we get ze wa so. With choti a we get ze choti a zi. With badi a we get ze badi a ze. And next word is yuan. When we combine with alif we get yuan alif ya. With wa yuan wa yo. With choti a we get yuan choti a ji. With badi a we get yuan badi a ji. And next word is sin. When combined with alif we get sin alif sa. When combined with wa we get sin wa so. With choti a we get sin choti a si. With badi a we get sin badi a si. Next word is sheen. When you combine with alif, we get shin alif, sha. When we combine with wa, we get shin wa, sho. When combined with choti a, we get shin choti a, she. When we combine with badi a, we get shin badi a, she. Next word is swad. When we combine with alif, swad alif, sa. With wa, swad wa, so. With choti a, swad choti a, si. With badi a, swad badi a, si. Next word is zwad. When we combine with alif, we get zwad alif, za. With wa, we get zwad wa, zo. With choti a, we get zwad choti a, zi. With badi a, we get zwad badi a, zi. Our next word is twain. When we combine with alif, we get twain alif, ta. With wa, we get twain wa, to. With choti a, we get twain choti a, ti. With badi a, with twain badi a, te. Next word is zwain. Zwain alif, za. With wa, zwain wa, zo. With choti a, zwain choti a, zi. With badi a, zwain badi a, zi. Next word is an. When we combine with alif, we get an alif, a. With wa, we get an wa, o. With choti a, we get an choti a, e. With badi a, we get an badi a, e. Next word is gain. With alif, gain alif, ga. With choti a, with wa, gain wa, go. With choti a, gain choti a, gi. With badi a, gain badi a, ga. Next word is fe. When you combine with alif, we get fe alif, fa. With wa, we get fe wa, fo. With choti a, we get fe choti a, fi. With badi a, we get fe badi a, fe. Next word is kaf. When we combine with alif, we get kaf alif, ka. With wa, we get kawa, ko. With choti a, kaf choti a, ki. With badi a, kaf badi a, ke. I hope you are understanding. Our next word is kaf. Kaf have two half shapes. In my earlier video, I will tell you about different two shapes and I will teach you how to write. When we combine with alif, we write half shape like this, and when we combine with alif, we get kaf alif, ka. With wa, ka wa, ko. With choti a, kaf choti a, ki. With badi a, kaf badi a, ke. With gaf, we get gaf alif, ga. Ga wa, go. Gaf choti a, ge. Gaf badi a, ge. And next word is lam. When we combine with alif, we get lam alif, la. When combined with wa, we get lam wa, lo. With choti a, we get lam choti a, li. With badi a, we get lam badi a, li. With alif, mim, second word is mim. And when combined with alif, mim alif, ma. With wa, mim wa, mo. With choti a, mim choti a, mi. With badi a, mim badi a, me. Next word is noon. When we combine with alif, we get noon alif, na. With wa, we get noon wa, no. With choti a, we get noon choti a, ni. With badi a, we get noon badi a, ni. Next word is wa. Wa don't have half shape and full and half shape is same. When combined with alif, we get wa alif, wa. Wa wa, wo. Wa choti a, vi. Wa badi a, ve. Our next word is he and last word is ye. And when we combine with he with alif, we get he alif, ha. He wa, ho. He choti a, he. He badi a, he. And last word is ye. When we combine with alif, we get ye alif, ya. Ye wa, yo. Ye choti a, ye. Ye badi a, ye. I hope so you understand today's topic. We discuss with vowel with words, and so please subscribe my channel. I always request you, please subscribe my channel. If you're enjoying and feeling good about Urdu, then subscribe my channel.